Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a simple domino effect in Blender. So let's start. Click on add, mesh, click on plane, scale it up as per your requirement. Press Ctrl A, apply scale. Click on add, mesh, click on cube. Press G, set 1. Reduce its thickness as per your requirement. Press S, X. Press G, X. Now I want more of it, so I will go add mesh, generate array, reverse the direction, increase the number of instances as per your requirement. Let's say reduce it a little bit. I think this much is fine. Click apply. After that, press tab, press A, press B by loose part. So what I'm doing, as you can see that this cube is a single part. But if I press P, click on loose parts, notice. So everyone is now become a different object. Now there is a one issue. Select any of the this box. You will notice if you press R, X, R, Y, notice the center of origin is not correctly aligned. So what I can do is select this first plane, hide, select all of them. Go to the object, set origin, origin to geometry. Notice now they are in the center of it. This is basically what I want. Now press Alt H to see all the hide things. Now to make the domino effect, I need something to make it fall first. So click on add mesh. I am adding a UV sphere. Scale it down. G set G X. Okay. Now what I will do, select this, go to the physics tab, click on rigid body, click on passive, click on box. Okay. After that, select this one, click on rigid body, click on collision. That's it. Now I want to apply this one to all of them, but how? It will take a very long time. So what I will do, I will do some smart work. Select this by pressing shift, select at the end of this one. Go to the object and rigid body, add active. Okay. Now select this rigid body. This one is animated and make sure collision is on. Press Alt S to see everything. Now select this, press I, location. Go to the frame 30, press G, X, and up to this point. Press I, location. Go backward. Play the simulation. And here we got our simple domino effect. Okay. Now you can add texture, color, lighting as per your requirement. The main aim is just to teach you how to do it. Okay. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.